today we will be talking on couple of things. These are a chart analysis based on daily and weekly, and you can trade it swing or positional, maybe 2 to 5 days, and you will be profitable in it. Okay. So this is based on a very powerful chart analysis using market structure. Okay. Use of 20 and 200 EMA is there, and we can do the same by data analytics. Okay. And the last is we can use resistance breakout scan with 52-week trading strategy. Now, uh, market structure. Everyone, I think everyone must be aware of market structure. What is market structure? Okay. So this is a daily chart of Asian Paints. The stock has recently bounced from the 20 EMA on a daily chart, and it has not retested the 20 EMA. Okay. So it is still bullish. The volume confirmations are there. So what we are doing is we are doing it very simple. We are using this horizontal ray and marking the latest 2 month high and the latest 2 month low. Maybe we can have, this is April, so there is nothing over here, so we are not marking anything over here. We are just marking a high and a low. So this is the first structure that we have. This is the first structure. So this entire stock is trading in this structure, and the structure is bullish as it has given a breakout over here. Okay, the structure is bullish. Now what we want is we will not trade over here. It has to cross here consistently. It has to retest here. Then it can move up towards new highs. Now we are very cautious over here. So we are not taking any trades over here. That's confirmed. Due to market structure, we will not be able to take a trade like just like that. We want the trade to be either taken here, which is the best place. It was here at on the 12th May or 11th May. It was here. So this is the ideal level to me to get entered into Asian Paints. But that is not going to happen it very soon because it will consolidate. So we are looking for inner structures between this structure 1 and structure 2. So these are the structure 1. So this is structure 1. And this is structure 2. This is base. These are called base structures. So this is the base structure. The latest 3 months or 2 months, you can take 2 months, which is 60 days is very good. You can have stock analysis done in 60 days, and it gives almost 80%, 90% accuracy. Okay, and this red is 20 EMA, and the blue line is 200 EMA. So this we have got structure. Now we want two more structure which are inside this structure of support and resistance. Now two more structures are like this. This was a resistance, recently got broke out. See, this was the resistance. It has recently broken out with good volume. Okay. It was recently broken out with good volume. So we want the stock to be at least here to retest this level. So I will buy the stock near 2669 once it retest. It will also retest 20 EMA on a daily chart. So the trend is bullish, but it has to retest. Now this is a daily chart. If I go to 15 minutes with the same structure, I will get the entire setup of trades. See, this is the entire setup of trade. I will not trade here. From the last 24th May, it is nearing that resistance. I will never trade over here. Maybe for, we can trade for 10, 20, 30, 40 rupees. I mean 60 rupees or 70 rupees, but not here. Not at all, because there is nothing left here. We'll be trapped. If you're entering over here, the price is gone down. So no trade zone over here. We can have trade zone over here because there is a retracement that is going on, and it is at the same retraced level here. See, internal structure. See, this is the formation of another structure that we are having. See, the same level of here, here. It has almost spent many days over here. See, so this is a very strong structure. On 27th May, it came over here and it gave a move of around 60 rupees. For swing trading, if you are taking 100 quantities also, then you are getting 5 to 6,000 rupees. But you should know the levels of swing trading. So these are the levels which I usually mark in every case. Now for daily chart, the levels are already marked. See, structure 1, structure 2, then I can find a structure over here. This is a solid structure again. It has retested this structure. So I think once it breaks this structure, it will come and take here where there is 20 EMA. So this is a very powerful technique, and it is very simple. You can take any stock like SDFC Bank, go to SDFC Bank, do an alt R so you can reset the chart. Now what you want is you want to build a structure like this. See, this is the latest 2 months high, market 2 months low. I mean, this is 20th April, 13th April. Yes, so this, I guess this is the low. You get a structure, nothing else doing. Very simple. You will not trade over here. You will not trade. कुछ भी हो जाए यहाँ trade लेना ही नहीं है. We should be watchful. We will trade above this level once it makes a good healthy candle, not like this candles. Non healthy candles नहीं चाहिए, एकदम healthy candles चाहिए, like this, like this, like this. There should be volume. Volume should be there. See, volume confirmation is again. Volume breakout should be there. This is volume breakout. See. So we have marked this structure 1, which is our resistance, and structure 2 wherein perfect. So we are getting this structure. Now we will find internal structures in this, and it is very easy to find. Hardly 10 minutes लगता है candles को पता करने के लिए. अब internal structure is this. I can see something over here. Here it was a resistance, support. It is nearing that resistance where there is 20 EMA. Okay, so this is my first internal level of reversal. I think so. Whenever the stock comes over here, it has to make that range, and the range is around 70-80 points. So whenever we are doing a swing trading for a couple of days or 5 days or for a week, we should get at least 50 to 60 points in any trade. So that is why the structure is very important. The structure itself gives you 50-60 points move in a good good stock. And you take any stock selection, the market structure can be made. And this is in a daily chart. If you do the same in a weekly chart, you will get the exact structure wherein the reversal can happen. Yes, this is the reversal. You come to the same structure. The candles were contracting before the move. You can watch it over here. Okay, so candles are contracting. This is the level. It has tested this on 19th April, the same level it has tested on 3rd May. So this is a pretty strong support level on a weekly basis. Third, also on the 10th May, it came near this, and on 17th May, it boomed from, it moved around 120 points on a weekly basis. So if a structure was ready like this, we can capture at least 50 rupees move. And 50 rupees move in a stock like SDFC Bank or stock like ICICI, Kotak, it is a very good thing. No? Asian Paints, Oro Pharma. So these are the structure that I make. You can use Kotak Bank. It was in a consolidation phase from a very long time. So the structures have been made. So let me delete the structure. What you need to do is you need to mark the latest 2 months or 3 months high. So this is the high on 26th April it has made, and this is the low made on 12th April. So you will get the structure. That's it. This is structure 1 and structure 2. Now look for internal structures. Now you can see the 20 MA and 200 MA that are up in the structure. I mean, stock is turning bullish. Kotak Bank can give a good breakout. Kotak Bank can actually give a good breakout. Okay, so I will be taking Kotak Bank on Monday, tomorrow, for a target of on 2027. Let me see if I can pick up some retracement of 2027. Perfect. So it had a retracement over here. It had a retracement over here. It had a retracement over here. It came for breaking, but it didn't make it. So I will be trading this level, and this level has been formed by marking this structure. I'll just use the price tool, measure it, and put the same on the top. So this is my target. So this is my target for Kotak Bank, because it is making a box pattern. Also, it is making a box pattern. From many days, it's been been trading in a range. So once the box gets break, it would be a Darvas box, and it will move on to this box. So I am waiting for the exact box to be formed. Yes. So I will wait for this level. I will wait for this level to come in again. It won't come easily. It will break. In this next week, we can see Kotak going 150 points, maybe 100 to 150 points, and moving into this uncharted territory, which earlier trading was happen. This was the level also. The trading was happen. You see, it is at the same level. See, the same level again. Retracement has done. So this is a solid level, which I think so it will be breaking up soon, because this is one kind of a stock which has not made any run in the bull market. So all said and done, we will be marking Kotak. Kotak will be marked like this: 3 months high. That's the low. I am not able to find any structure in between, so I'm hoping that this level will be breaking, because it had tested 2 times over here. So it has not been able to break up this level. This is the level that I'm talking about. So once it breaks and to moves to this territory, we can have a breakout happening at 1854. In any case, we are going to get 60-70 rupees in this trade. That's for sure. So this is the market structure. The structure is very simple. I shall repeat once again. You take any structure. Let's take Maruti one last time. I hope everyone is getting the structure. We need to mark the latest high in less than 2 months. We need to mark the latest low in 2 months. This is the structure that we get. Then we are looking for internal structure, that is price action structure, that is happening. This is the first structure wherein the support has been formed. Internal this box, inside this box, you are getting a structure of support, and you are getting a structure at this level, which is the resistance. That's it. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfectly shows that whenever the stock has come to this level, it has again taken support, and there is the 220 EMA, and it has recently broke the 200 EMA. Okay. So the stock is super bullish, and it is taking support of 200 EMA. So let it come down over here, because earlier the resistance, now it can become support. Let us test 6860 levels for a up move of 150 points. In any trade I take like this, I want 50 to 100 or 150 points based on the stocks. I am never trading for 10 rupees, 20 rupees. I will always trade for 50 rupees, 100 rupees, or 200 rupees breakout. Because if you are trading for 5-10 rupees, that means you are risking your capital, and that means you are not aware of the market structure for that particular stock. You're trading and based off price, or based off the news that you have, or the based of the uptrend the stock is. Whenever such events come in, like this. If someone had entered into this candle, he would be trapped. This was on 26th May. If he had entered over here, seeking that ये price तो ऊपर जा रहा है, यहाँ आएगा, it was the same level where the big candle came in. See, yeah, and that is a crossover of 20 crossing down 200. That was a big crossover. So I will be waiting for this level to break in. So exactly the same level it repeated. It was earlier at 25th March. It has again repeated twice on 25th May and 26th May. And again on 27th May, it was not able, 28th May, it was not able to break that level. So I will be waiting for Maruti to break the levels. Even the volumes are showing a exhaustion. The volumes are not that pretty good. Okay, but we are having long candles and the base is inside this candle. So I will wait. So it has not broken this green candle's low. So still there is a hope of Maruti coming up because it is inside that candle of the big candle. So let's take. And if I look at weekly, the same chart. If I look at weekly, pretty much bullish. This was the level, 26th April. If I have not entered into this level, I would have recently entered into this level. That was 6639, surely on 10th May. Okay. And almost 500 points, 400 points move was there. Okay. I hope everyone is clear onto this. Can I have yes, no? Take IOC or GAIL. Okay. Take IOC or GAIL. Okay. IOC, let's take IOC, Indian Oil Corporation. Okay. So I traded IOC at this level, 92. I booked it at around 107. So it's a classic breakout pattern. So let me delete everything. So we are trading in IOC. So we are marking up the high and we are marking up the low, which was 6th May. Okay. Let's take the low. So this is the level that, this is a structural level that we have. So you can clearly see the volume contraction happening. It was muted over here. For any breakouts or breakdown, the volume should be muted. Breakout at least, the volume should come down. It should mute. The candles should be suppressing. मतलब बड़े बड़े कैंडल्स नहीं होने चाहिए, छोटे कैंडल्स आना चाहिए, छोटे कैंडल्स, ये छोटे कैंडल्स, और थोड़ा सा पिकअप होता है वॉल्यूम में. when we really see pickup in volume, that's when the 20 EMA comes into play. Absolutely gem. If you are using just two things, that is 220, you do not to use anything, because that is the backbone of a price action. Once it has clearly cleared, the candle has cleared 20 EMA. Look at the speed of the stock moving up. It cleared at 91. The stock moved to 112, 113. Okay. So this isn't this the stock has been at a level of earlier rejection. It is having the same rejection over here. So it is reacting at the same level. See, यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे, it had a rejection. It had a rejection over here. There was a recent, this is a crossover from 20 crossing down 200 at 2019, and that level, the here, if you're seeing this level, these were markdown levels wherein it tried to break out from 20 EMA, but it couldn't break out 20 EMA, and it followed 20 EMA. It was not able to break out 20 EMA. It broke out 20 EMA on 28th May. Then we can see the breakout happening at 4th November. Then the breakout happened at February when it was at 85. At the same level of breakout happening at the same level happening at maybe here. So if we analyze another structure like here, let's see, again a solid breakout. It gave a super breakout. I mean, look at the struggle over here at the same level. This time there was volume. This time there was negative volume here. This time there was positive volume. So the stock, now Midun, the stock will, let us have the price range. If the stocks break out, it should probably be breaking out. My target will be 126. Let me pick up 126 over here. Yes. Okay, so my target will be 126. So this level, able to pick up over here. See, exactly the level that the crossover was done. The resistance was made. So yes, so I will be picking up this stock, not here. I will be picking up the stock here. There's no internal structure over here. So there is one internal structure over here, but I'm getting around 2 wicks. यहाँ पे 1 and 2. So let the stock come to 107. Let's see. Mark up the level. Let us see the stock behavior tomorrow or day after tomorrow. If it can reverse at this levels, surely the stock will move again up. It can give around 10-20 rupees up. So a small stock like that giving 10 rupees, 20 rupees, it is 10%. That will be a good bet. Even if you are putting in 500 quantities or 1000 quantities, you will be getting around 10-15,000 rupees. Yes. So any more stocks? Vishal, Root also. Okay, Root. Root Mobile. Okay. So Root Mobile recently had a breakout, and it is showing a clear box breakout. It's in the box, and look at the volume contraction happening. Absolutely gem. It is sure going to make a breakout in coming days. It is having a Darvas box pattern. So let us try with our simple analysis. So this we are marking up the high and the low. So 8th May, 6th May, March. Okay. So 16th April. So we are taking at the high and low of April. This is the range that we are getting in, solid range, and it is also making an W pattern. So again, it's forming a W pattern. Okay, so it is not able to break that pattern. Okay, so थोड़ा wait करते हैं हम लोग इसका. At the same level, what is happening is there is someone is exiting the stock, but they want retailers to exit the stock. फिर ये move करेगा ये stock. So we are having unlimited minutes. पता नहीं unlimited minutes हो गया है, so अच्छी बात है. Done. तो फिर this is the stock structure. So we are able to pick up the 2 data points. Now we are taking the 3rd data points, which we think the stock should be perfect. So I got one another data points. एक और छोटा सा data point इसको fine tune करते हैं. Let us pick up something over here perfectly. So we are getting rejection over here, and it's a solid rejection. 20th April से लेकर 7 मई तक का रिजेक्शन है इस रेंज पे. उसके बाद इसका बड़ा ब्रेकआउट आया, एंड इट हैज आल्सो रीटेस्टेड द ब्रेकआउट, the breakout level. So I think so the stock will be moving to this level again at 1651. Let us be very sure on 1661. ठीक है, 1650 levels, it can give around 100-200 points, that's for sure, पक्का है. And also it is forming a Darvas box breakout, so there is no trading over here. See, understand, there is no trading over here. See, यहाँ पे कुछ, यहाँ पे 2 trading था, यहाँ पे अभी 2-3 trading आया है. So हमको क्या करना है, हमको trading देखना है, where are they people comfortable. So let us, अगर ये तोड़ता है, ये range अगर तोड़ती है, this is the range, ठीक है. If it breaks this range like here, so where it can go, मैं मतलब supposingly if we can pick up something, exactly we are picking up something like here. I'm able to pick up a very strong resistance at 1897 levels. Earlier big candles, volume spike up happening over here. So this is the volume spike up. As the phenomena says, there was a mute in candles as well as a mute in volume. Mute in candles, mute in volume. We need to really understand this is going to be a big breakout. And look what we have. We have 20 EMA coming in. Once it crosses 20 EMA, boom, 1100 का स्टॉक 1800 चला गया. ये वॉल्यूम स्पाइक भी देख रहे होंगे आप, ठीक है. So simple analysis, if you are putting in around 10-15 minutes of 2-3 things: volume contraction, the pattern contraction in candles. You can clearly see there is a pattern contraction happening in candles. See, छोटे candles, lower volumes, and then a boom. Once it crosses 20 EMA, absolutely 20 breakout देने से पहले 20 EMA के आजू बाजू ही घूमेगा, that's for sure. You can note it down. Whenever a stock want to give a good breakout, a big breakout, the candles will be hugging 20 EMA for a long time and with a muted volumes. Okay, and once it has cleared the 20 EMA with big candles, these are all length candles, you can see the volume spike up happening. Okay, and look at the volume spike up happening. It has also retested this level, that was the breakout level. It came, it gave a breakout, it moved up, then again came down, retested this level. So this level is validated, it gave a up move. So this is pretty simple. The ये stock pretty simple है, so we will keep this in radar. Okay. और किसी को कुछ भी आप रूट मोबाइल 1700 का टारगेट, yeah, I took because simple price action, ना, due to price action. Hope you are able to hear. Midun, am I able to hear?
Bro. Yes, bro, we are able to hear.
Okay, fine. So Dixon and Britannia. Dixon and Britannia. Okay. Let us have Dixon. Okay. Super bullish. Volume is also good. So see, classic pattern, candles suppressing. ये जो आप candles देख रहे हैं, ये suppress हो रहे हैं. It is in a range candles, and it is surely going to break out good time. Okay. The same you can able to see it on the volumes. Average volume से ऊपर आ रहा है. Okay. So this is again a classic box pattern which has recently broken the box but is not able to move out of the box. So this is on the radar, and this will be surely breaking out because it is hugging this 20 EMA line from quite a long time, which is from 11th May or 7th May to 27th May. So it is surely going to give breakout. Okay, the last time it did, it was here. It was pretty powerful. इधर आया था, इधर छोड़ा तो भी पैसा मिला. 2800 रुपये, 2800-2900 रुपये पे आया और 3000 पॉइंट का मूवमेंट मिला when the last time it broke 20 EMA. If I was able to take it here, that was the breakout over here. See, सिंपल ब्रेकआउट 20 EMA के ऊपर लिया, अगर यहाँ पे भी लिया होता, यहाँ पे भी लिया होता, so this is the top. So let us get this top done. So I will be marking pretty 3rd May. Okay, so this is the high and this is the April. Okay, so we are marking, we need to mark up April. So this is the range, and in this range we are not able to pick up anything but a small solid support over here and a solid resistance over here. Yes, over here, yes, we can see a candle over here. Perfect. यहाँ पे resistance मिला और यहाँ पे इसको resistance मिला. We can also have a resistance over here also. Yeah, so ये candle और ये perfect रहेगा. चलो, once the stock breaks 4155, it is going to shoot up this 4326 levels, and we can also have the price coming up, price range. There is no trading over here recently, so we are pulling up the price range over here. So अगर मैं इस price range को यहाँ रख देता हूँ, so my target will be around for this stock it should be around 4508. Let me pick up something on 4508. Let us pick up something. Yeah, it's very near to this. Very near to this. So this will be the target. Yes. Okay. So if anyone is not comfortable with this, can I show you a different way of doing it? Okay, ये comfortable है सबको. Midun, is this comfortable or we need to have range analysis? क्या? Data analytics.
Yeah, this is good, Shinu, but please go ahead with
Okay. So what we need to do is a very simple strategy that we use. Okay. The strategy is data points. Okay. Trade with data analytics. Let's be on the right side of the data. If someone is okay. Yeah. Yes. So we need to go to our site, SS stock. We need to pick up Dixon or any stock. You can pick up any stock that you want. Okay. You need to go to volume and use 3 things. One is 8.
So you are not sharing the screen.
Sorry.
Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Let me see. So let me again go to.
Yeah, that's fine.
SS.
That's fine, bro.
Yeah. Now we need to go to our site, SS stock. We need to go to stock scan. We will put in Dixon. So Dixon, we are going to just go to volume, and we need 3 averages. One is 8, one is 15, and one is 30. So first we are taking the biggest one, that is 30 days moving average, open, high, low, close average. We need to check only 2 things. Open is equal to low. Am I able to find 30-40 rupees gap, which we call arbitrage, which we call arbitrage in the difference between open and low? See, the open is 3957. So let us go to the chart and mark 3957. So we're going to mark 3957. Oh, perfect. So this is the range. That is the average opening of 30 days. So this is a pretty solid range that we are getting in. Malab, the same level where the 20 EMA is. Every day it has opened at this level. It has concluded its trading around this level only. So by marking a 30 days average, you are certaining that the trend of the stock, and we are marking a 30-day low, which is 3892. So let us go and mark 3892. So we are marking 3892, which is very close to near this. You can go to coordinates. this you can see it is in a very tight range. Malab, we're able to see the stock not moving up, open and low datas. So this stock is under consolidation. So what we are able to see is whenever the stock comes to near this low price, low, there is sudden build-up happening. Suddenly the stock is moving up. Whenever it comes to this level, the stock will be moving up. Whenever someone wants the stock not to go down, but to be in this level and to be in this level. So for me, if any stock is trading on this ranges, 30 days range, I will mark the open and low case, because that's 30 days trading pattern of everyone, be that HNIs, be that FIIs, be it small retailer like us. Everyone is trading in this range of 30 days for the particular stock. Now what we want is, we want to find the 8 days. We are taking a week, but we are counting 1 day ahead to get the week. So again, the week, 8 days, that is 3942. It's again at this level, and 3886. 3886 again at this level. So you can also say that it weekly also the stock is in this range only. Now you want 15 days average. You can see the stock has been 3958, almost the same levels, and 3883, almost the same levels. So that is why data analytics, simple 5 minutes data analytics on our site to confirm the range that the stock is trading in 30 days, 15 days, and of course for swing trading 8 days. You can ask me any other stock if you want. If we can do this range analysis also. Can we use ATR for SL? I am not trading in RCI.
Bro, I want to
don't-
make one point here. So the 21 EMA support for this stock is almost 79%. So
Correct.
almost 79% of the time the stock price is above this 21. So soon it will be above this 20 EMA or SMA, whatever the price.
Correct. Soon it will be soon. It is also trading in a box, brother. See, it is in a range. It is in a range. Okay. And you can see from our data analytics on the site, for the last 15 days, if I pull up the average volume over here, if you're putting up the average volume that we have, so this is the last 15 days. Let's take for the month. If I take for the month, so if I take the month over here, so the average volume, look at the average volume that we have, and that's perfect. So whenever we see an above average volume happening, we can also see the price movement, like this has crossed to this, maybe this all recently 2 days it has crossed this above volume and open high low. So this is low, so it's in the range. See, 39 range, 38 range. For in a month we are able to see this range happening only at this range, this range, this range. So the stock is pretty much, it is going to give a breakout, that's for sure. We can analyze the data. If we are analyzing the data, it is sure going to give a breakout. And last 8 days average is around 3942. The low is 3886, and the average volume is around 204,000. So the moment it spiked up above the average volume of the week, the stock moved. Look at the volume. You can see over here also, no, swing resistance. And weekly also we can see something happening. And the weekly also the stock is bullish. The weekly too, the stock is bullish. See, it is in the same range, and soon it will be breaking out. This box. It it has to give this close. It has to give this it has to give a close of the candle above this box. Then it can test around 4,000. I think so. It will test this level, 4,200 levels. So I will be waiting for 150, 200 points in this stock for sure. It is on my radar now. Thanks for notifying it. Anything else? Coforge. So let us check Coforge. So Coforge, so, it's already structure has been made. Okay. एक मिनट ना, Coforge. So this is Coforge for you. We need to mark up a simple structure which is high and the low of 6th May. See the same pattern again. Came down, candles छोटे हो गए, the length of the candle is small, volume dried up suddenly, the volume becoming drying up, and that it is touching the 20 EMA. 20 EMA को touch किया. The moment it break up 20 EMA, the stock fired. Look at this. So anyways, you can use our scan of 20 EMA, stocks near 20 EMA, and you can use this simple market structure technique that hardly takes 5 minutes to mark up a structure 1, structure 2, and an internal structure which I can see over here, or you can see over here, because that's a solid support that the stock is having. It has almost spent 14th May, 19th May, 20th May, maybe 24th May. So this is the trading range of the stock, and once it moved big time. Okay, so I think so the structure. So for me, the stock will be the target will be 3708. That will be the target. It is already on up move, and the volumes are increasing. And the EMA 20 is shaping up. The tip has also significant important. If the tip is towards the stock upwards, that means there is smart money involved in right here. Take care. Smart money अभी भी है इसके अंदर. So this will take, maybe on Monday we can see this level breaking up. 30, 40 points, 50 points, and we can see something over in the stocks. So good stock again, Coforge, and we are able to see this resistance also over here. Scans. Coforge would be there, I guess. Able to see 300, and let us pick up the volume 1 lakh. Okay, apply and download with level. Let us see if you are able to download. So these are potential breakout stocks which you can, Mazda, TCI, CDSL, Rupa, Godrej Agro. यहाँ तक ले सकते हो, not this, because ICICI Prudential has given 19 rupees change, so it needs 31 rupees, so it will not be able to do it. But this, all these stocks are our stocks to watch out for, like Mazda. Let us pick Mazda. I use only breakout in SS stock alerts, nothing else. NIT Tech, okay. Thanks a lot. NIT Tech. Okay.
No, bro. I think this is NIT Limited is something different.
Acha, NIT Limited is something different?
Yes, bro.
Yeah, NIT Tech. Yes. Now we got it.
This is the old letter, bro. And for NIT Tech, I think after rename it, there is no data is updating here.
Correct. So we have seen the same on the charts. No, it's okay.
Yeah. Not sure why what happened. I will check.
Don't know, no issues. So I'm just using this two things in our site which we have. We go to scans and we use resistance breakout, and you can add. You can also add advanced scans like resistance breakout. Then we can have green strength candle. Okay. You throw in some RSI, EMA and RSI above 100, and there we go. We got winner on our hands. Then we go to this volume should be above 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh volume, and price should be about 300. So we get the best of the stocks, and if you download with the levels, you are able to see all the stocks happening. So this is the stock for tomorrow. So I will consider SDFC, AMC, Reliance, Just Dial, Metropolis. All this will be a hit tomorrow. I mean, Just Dial is just going, just turning up. Just Dial. See, if you see Just Dial, super bullish, contracting candles. It was in a range. It is in a range of Darvas. So I'm expecting this stock to move up because it was hugging 20 EMA and the volumes came down. Pretty much it has come up. The volume has come up. The stock has come above 20 EMA on 816. It has already given a breakout of 100 points. So there is also a weekly breakout coming in this box. So I'm pretty sure Just Dial is the stock which we need to see. Okay, that is a megaphone pattern again. Okay, so I will be watching for Just Dial. It is 100% sure it's going to break out because volumes is building up. From the last 5 sessions, the volumes are very high. Someone is piling up the stock, and you can see the same in our SS stock alert. Simple analysis. Go to SS stock alert and just go to scan stock info. Put in Just Dial. See, if you go to volumes, have it 8 days. The stock, once it breaks 842, it will have a new coming in. Whenever you see a stock moving 788, 798, almost 10 rupees arbitrage is there, you go and mark these levels. That's it. 788 levels. So we will mark 788 levels. So 788. This is the level, and exactly the same level wherein it took support and give a breakout. It was as simple as that. If you're using this data analytics, 8 days for swing trading, buy near the low or near the open average, preferably near the low. You should always wait to get the stock near the low. That's where the trading is happening. No? That's where the trading is happening. Earlier it was a resistance, and here it was a resistance. Now it broke the resistance. The same effect that we have over here. The same effect that we are having over here. Almost pretty sorted out. Just by doing a range analysis of 8 days and 30 days, you will come to know. See, 815 was the low and 828 is the open. So it is matching our 830 levels. Sorry, this levels. This level is superb. It has, in 30 days, it has moved down a quick 815. So let us break 815 over here. So you can pick up something over here. So this is the range. Yeah, see, there's a support over here. Anyways, it has broken up this level. So it is on a super bullish stage. So I'll pick up the stock. I would have picked up the stock at this area. Let us see 15, 781, 795. Let us see 8. Almost perfect. 15 is again a good.
Sorry for interruption.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
when breakout happens, we need to enter, right? So, what is your criteria, Shani? So, once a breakout happens, immediately will you enter, or you will have some grace period or some points that you will wait?
So if you're using a scanner, it can give you the stock which are breaking out. I use a very simple scanner of getting the stock near 20 EMA. So that is my first level of breakout identification of a stock which is turning bullish. So we have 20 EMA, no? Like if you go to scans, and we got 20 EMA, 20 EMA crossover. Say you got 20 EMA close, crossing 20 EMA from above, 20 EMA from below. So you can use the scan. You can add the scan, and you will get the stock. Like if you delete everything over here, like sector देखना हमको pattern.
But you I think you have added 20 EMA crossing 200 EMA from below.
Oh yes,
you
yes.
add this.
एक मिनट. So we get go
You can
to
just add it from-
scans, 20 EMA.
It should be in the top pro. It will be in the top. Close crossing 20 EMA from.
EMF 20 EMA crossing, 20 EMA crossing, 20 EMA crossing.
The close crossing 20 EMA from below. That is the second one, bro. Second
This
one,
no?
second.
Yeah,
Yes.
yes. Yeah, yes. So these are the stocks. Once I identify it, my criteria set. So when we download it, download levels. So these are the stocks which you will get around 5 to 10 stocks. So these are all the stocks which are crossing 20 EMA. So why don't we analyze in this stocks? Pretty easy, no? Like Metropolis, ICICI Prudential, Deepak Nitrate. So analyze this stocks. If you're going to Deepak Nitrate, simply it is at 20. So this is on my radar. It has just touched 20 EMA. It has not made a separate candle about 20 EMA like it has done here. So the volumes are contracting, and the stock is in a range. So this will be my bet. So let us take this. So it has recently 30th April. It has made a high, and it has recently made a low on this. So this is the level that we are having, base levels 1 and 2, and it is clearly showing an internal level of resistance that we have. Once it crosses, super. So
I kept this as a 1695 as a stop loss, and I'm holding this.
correct.
So here is the point. So if you see 20 EMA acting as a strong support here, right? So I want to enter at this point. Means what is your preference? Means what needs to be considered before entering? I'm sure that it is holding a 20 EMA, but by touching a 20 EMA itself, we can't enter here, right? So
no, I will enter above this levels.
yeah, okay.
Either I will enter at this level, which is very far. This if you see the levels which are very far, okay, this level is very far, almost 60 70 rupees, okay, 60 rupees, and this is pretty near 28 rupees. I won't risk.
Yeah,
I won't risk. There is no risk reward.
yeah.
I will have, at least I need 50 to 100 points. I'm not getting 50 points over here, and I'm pretty sure this level is having a highest big wick of supply happening.
So if you see on 26th May, it touched 1826, means our resistance. So
yeah,
but we can't buy at that time. If you buy that, it will be reduced. Okay? So
correct.
To buy here on 26.
No, I will always buy above here. I will let the stock run about 1830, 1840.
Okay.
Maybe. Maybe at this levels, I will buy at this level. See, this was the level, maybe at 1850 levels.
Okay.
When it clearly moves up, the volumes are coming in hard, and there is a contraction happening, but not like this contraction. See, there was a contraction happening over here. See, the volume was dried up. The same phenomena. See, in any breakout, you should have only two criteria. The candles should be touching 20 EMA. It should be kissing 20 EMA for a long time, and the candle shape should be low. मतलब बड़े बड़े कैंडल्स नहीं होने चाहिए, छोटे कैंडल्स होने चाहिए, कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग कैंडल्स होने चाहिए, और कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग वॉल्यूम होना चाहिए. For a breakout to happen, you should have this criteria, and once the breakout will happen, ठीक है, once the breakout will happen, you will get a good stock, you will get a length stock. Well, these are all breakout candles. Okay, these are all breakout candles. See, candles coming and going up. It should be it you can clearly see without me marking any levels. Like कोई भी पैटर्न बनाने से पहले भी आप नेकेड चार्ट में देख सकते हैं कि सपोर्ट किधर है, सप्लाई किधर हो रहा है, सपोर्ट किधर हो रहा है. See the candles, look at the candles over here. Also इसमें भी कंफ्यूजन आ रहा है. सो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम लोग वॉल्यूम पिवोट पॉइंट्स यूज कर सकते हैं. पिवोट पॉइंट्स नहीं करना यूज, सिंपली यूज RSI, simply use relative strength index. Again, it is a very good thing. You can see the conversions happening at the same level of wherein it was showing this same hidden divergence, bullish. ठीक है, it was the same levels, यहाँ पे bullish divergence था, and again it has it gave a breakout over here. So it's in a breakout. See, if you see, it's in a breakout. Or you can match out this also. Here, support, and U-turn. So let us wait in this. ये कुछ भी झंझट में नहीं पड़ना. If you don't want to use any indicators, please just use the price action. मैं तो ये यूज ही नहीं करता हूँ. I use EMA 20, volume, and a super trend to see the trend. That's it. So this is pretty much accurate. मतलब contraction होना चाहिए. See, this is the pattern is contracting. छोटे छोटे कैंडल्स और छोटे हो रहे और छोटे हो रहे और छोटे हो रहे, और यहाँ पे भी आपको दिखता है इट हैज जस्ट मूव्ड अप. छोटे छोटे कैंडल्स हो रहे हैं. मोमेंट इट पिक्ड अप बिग कैंडल्स, you can see the candle gaining health. मतलब suddenly there is a candle that is the scan which we did today of 20 EMA on 3rd February also. If you could get the stock in our SS site by using 20 EMA. And if you could analyze like that, we are using like the same pattern has been developing over here. It is touching the 20 EMA. It is touching the 20 EMA. Once it moves clearly the 20 EMA, look at the stock movement. I mean, look at this movement happening. A clear cut movement, or maybe this is the price pattern, a clear cut movement. So, yeah, anything else? Okay. You use any signal app for entry and level cross or tracking manual? I use many apps. I mostly I use SS because every day my trading, I do analysis based in the evening of 20 EMA, 200 EMA, simple EMA. Then I have my own proprietary coding. I use Streak, I use Fox Trader, I use TPO Bell. I use everything, but my trading style is very simple. It's based on charts, it's based on analysis, because that's it.
Great. Okay.
Signal up. Okay, we pretty much have everything in our site now. I mean, Deepak Nitrate also we can pick it up over here. Take if you see ICSA GI or ICSA Prudential, again a super stock which is going to break out is 52-week high. ICSA Pro. It's in the radar. See, big time volume candle contraction coming in. It is hugging the 20 EMA and the volume has dried up. Here, nothing, simple things giving good returns. See, it is the high, 30th April high. We can have the low over 30th April. So we are in the range of 2 months. Absolutely, if you could have got the stock at on 27th May near this level. Absolutely best risk reward. It was touching the 20 EMA, it was touching the support. Maybe 30-40 रुपए मिल गया होता. For a stock like, if you get 50 points in the stocks, is almost 8 to 10%. So again, a simple thing happening. We are getting one price rejection on this level. This is the level where I'm getting price rejection. So my target will be very simple. Let us watch the stock over here. Now the stock is moving over here. So let us watch the stock over here. And once it clears, we are in for a treat. Maybe once it clears, we are in for a treat of 606 would be the target. Simple targets. Favorable risk reward. I will not buy the stock over here because the gap is very less. 15 rupees gap. Here the gap was very super. 40-50 rupees gap. So you can see it happening. IDBI First Bank breakout and retest has been done. I just want to ask everyone over here, where do you, कहाँ से लेके आते हो stock? This is IDBI First, IDFC, okay. See. Oh, this is classic. Recently had a 30th April. Let's take 30th April. So this is the trading range. Strong resistance at this level. And it is above this 20 EMA candle. So we are not going to take any risk in this because risk and reward is not there at all. For a couple of rupees, we will not take. And we will buy the stock. So it comes down and we will set the target over here. So let us see the target over here. Perfect. So I will wait the stock to move to this price, above this price, 61 rupees or 62 rupees to be very safe. That was the 20 EMA line, 61.70. Let me check this stock at 61.70, then I will enter, or I will enter near this, anywhere between 54 rupees or something. Risk reward is favorable in this line. Let us see. It has tried. It has not able to break. It has tried again, not able to break, and it has not retested 20 EMA, so it is super bullish. The volume were dried up over here. See, breaking down, volume been dried up ho gaya tha. Stock was making a doji patterns over here, so volume has just picked up. Let us see. Average volume se zyada hai. So this is the average volume, and it is, once it clears the average above average volume, we can have 5-6 rupees in this. You can get 10%. 5 रुपए 6 रुपए मिलेगा इसके अंदर. Not 21 EMA, brother. I'm using just 20 EMA. No 21 EMA. I'm using this EMA 20, 50, 100, and 200, in which I untick 50 and 100. I have only two things, which is 20 EMA and 200 EMA. Take it. 20 EMA is trend change, and 200 EMA is ultimate support and ultimate resistance. Take it. The moment you are seeing any crossover by 20 crossing 200, you are going to see a big move happening. And the moment you're seeing any crossover happening from top down, you're going to see a big move happening downside. So pretty much simple. My life is sorted out with 20 and 200 EMA. I just need to see the range. Take it. You take any stocks like Asian Paints has all been covered.
Yeah.
NMDC. Again, it is retesting. Volumes are good. Can go down. Volumes में दम नहीं है. red volumes. So this is the high. Index is 20th April. Okay, this is the low. So let us come 10 rupees niche aane do. Let us see what it does. It was a clear W pattern. Good volumes, spike up volumes happening. Spike up volumes happening. See, look at the candle contraction over here. See, just a simple thing. पहले भी जाकर स्कैन किया होता 20 MA के नियर, तो you could have got it the stock over here somewhere. ठीक है, the volume contraction was happening over here. Candles छोटे होते गए, volumes dried up. The moment it left the 20 MA by clear miles on a trading day, volumes came in, took the stock from this is the breakout level, took the stock from 147 to 213, not far. So on any day, if you are analyzing 20 EMA and you analyzing volume dry up, we don't need any indicators, any RCI, any reversal, कुछ नहीं चाहिए. सिर्फ naked chart चाहिए, and this small things that you use, horizontal ray or horizontal line, whatever you prefer. But you should analyze the stock like this. I will always buy a stock here. I will not buy the stock over here because I can see there is no risk reward happening over here. So for me, the stock is there. And something picking up like this. So this will be the reversal happening. So yes, so the same level the reversal has happened, and I guess the same level again a big resistance was there. So simple.
Huge.
1 hour ho gaya.
Yeah,
I can go. I can go on and on. 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 10 hours.
Yeah, it was a great session. Very attentive.
Yeah, well, these stocks, brother, these stocks are very good, no? If you are seeing we are seeing close crossing 20 MA from below, and if you download it, and resistance breakout, if you download the stock, like those stocks which are very near 52-week breakout will be superb, no? Like distance to 52-week high, distance to 52-week high, I should keep this stock in radar. ICICI Pru, FDC, that stock should be in radar. Whenever the time will come, it can move. Like Metropolis, this is going to sure give a breakout. It's in a range. It has given a recent high. It is traded with 187 points, and it needs 129 more to give a good break, good all-time high. So this will be the stock of the day for tomorrow or day after tomorrow, Metropolis. So I will keep this in mind. Metropolis, yes, I will surely trade Metropolis. Oh, that's a healthcare. Chalo. Perfect breakout, candle contraction coming in, volume dried up, hugging the 20 EMA, classic. Nothing to do. And it also Darwas was breakout. Oh, तो बड़ा जाएगा. Guys, keep this stock in radar. So it is going to give a good breakout. Solid like. So this. Simple. Look at the classic pattern happening. See, the stock was on, this was the high. It's the same high it was there right now. It has not broken the high. The low. Perfect यहाँ पे. If we could get the stock somewhere near here, that was here was a high, the second candle. The moment you see a second tap happening, second wick happening, you should confirm this line, not one line. You should confirm the line of the support. If you're seeing 2 wicks, that's the support over there. 3 super, 4 ultra. This is the level that they are not able to break it. 2241. So 2241. Let's pick up 2241, which is Metropolis. 2241, no? So again we go to volume, 8 days. Double 295, let's take 30 days. Double 226, stock is bullish, let's do 15 days. Double 292 and double 3, let us take 8 days only. 2295. Mostly it has traded in this range. As kissing 20 EMA also and breakout. So this is the level to watch. Perfect level. 8 दिन में सब पता चल जाता है, 15 दिन में भी पता चलता है. 2292. So 2292 is here. 15 days also you're getting good price. See, 2292 is here. 8 or 15 दिन, if you're doing for a swing trade, maybe 5 to 10, 15 days, the moment it breaks 2332, the moment it breaks 2332, stock is uptrend. 2332. Perfect. This was the trading range. Moment it breaks 2332, we are in for a treat. See, ये भी 2332 है. 15 days average is also 2332. Strong level there. Simple analytics. आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just analyze the stock from our site, like 20 EMA, जो भी use करना हो आपको resistance breakout, and just go and do an average. Sudha has made this OHLC, and there is a reason for OHLC. Means it is open high, low, close, and it is not there for ऐसे नहीं रखा है. In price action and technical analysis, averages of open, high, low, close is at most important. It is one of the backbone of technical analysis. That is why whenever you see a trading view, or whenever you see a charts, you will get everything. If you keep it in candle, you can see on the top side, you able to see this OHLC. If you keep on the candle, you can see all the values over here. It is there for a reason. That's where the algo runs in. That's where the big HFT, high frequency trades, comes in. Open, high, low, close. They are not bothered about any candles. They don't have any time for candlestick analysis. They have just made their algos in such a way that it captures the open, high, low, and close. And open is equal to low is the best strategy that is available for an algo which runs on a second frequency. I can show you the algo run, but I am not able to show because of the copyright issues. But it is at most important. If you're doing it, हर दिन आना है, शाम को एक दिन stocks identify करना है, selection करना है, बस उसको देखना है कि 20 EMA के आजू बाजू है कि नहीं. See, this is the level that I have got from our site only, nothing else. 15 दिन का average देखा मैंने, 2332. That was the level of 20 EMA. See, the moment it broke that 20 EMA level, it gave run for the money, maybe 250 points. We should know the stock. If we are getting the stock scanned, it was there from many days. See the volumes. Look at the volumes. It was surely going to break out, because the two of the condition, volume dry up and it should kiss 20 EMA. It should not leave 20 EMA. It should kiss 20 EMA. Once the stock leaves 20 EMA, then that's gone. Once the stock is above 20 EMA, the trend changes. Once it's above 20 EMA, you don't have to worry the stock is in uptrend. You are not any more worried about the stock unless and until the candle closes fully 20 EMA. See, इधर देखो, एक भी कैंडल ने उसको पूरी तरह तोड़ा नहीं है. Every candle has been in touch with 20 EMA. There is not a single candle which is like this. It is touching. Either wick is touch, either body is touch. 20 EMA is the miracle of trend change. If you are using 20, you don't need anything more. If you analyze the stock, you give it 10 to 15 minutes, that's it. You can trade any stocks with simple analytics. First learn to trade. See the volume contraction happening over here. See the candles. You can sense the candles coming up. You can draw any patterns like this is a falling wedge or कुछ भी कर लो आप. Patterns नहीं आता बनाने के लिए कोई बात नहीं. You don't need any patterns. You just need to look at the naked chart and look at the support that 200 EMA is giving. It has not crossed 200 EMA down. Look at the volume drying up. It has been drying up from here. It is touching the 20 EMA. It has not left 20 EMA. It was there. Here the moment is left, it found 200 EMA. And the moment it found 200 EMA, that's the powerful level of reversal. Just wait the stock to move above 20 EMA. See, the stock moved above 20 EMA over here. It retested 20 EMA. It has not come into this territory. Look at the stock. Once it breaks this, once it breaks high of this last breakout, look at the stock from 2087 to 600 points. Simple analysis. Chart reading आना चाहिए बस. That's it. So when to buy Metropolis. Metropolis. Okay. This is you can buy over here, na. Let the high be broken. Buy about 2620. क्योंकि here the risk reward is not favorable. It is very very near. Though इसमें 50-60 point मिलेगा, but I can take the risk, but I will not recommend anyone to take the risk. Let it come over here. This level, let it come to over here, and it will surely come because retest will happen 100%. So let it come over here. Maybe retest होगा तो इस level पे ले लो आप 2240. You will get 400 rupees in it. Mark my words, you will get 400 points in this trade. Matrimony कौन सा स्टॉक है भाई? Matrimony. Okay. Again classic thing. Again simple analysis. Let's take Matrimony. So we'll go for this stock. Says Matrimony. 8 दिन और पहला 30 दिन का देख लेते हैं एवरेज. 910 low is very near 10-15 rupees. Okay, let's take 15. 898 low is very near 898 और 15 और 8 दिन वाला सही है, almost same. 79 77. So we are looking for any level that has been 877. This is the level that they want the price to be in this range for last 15 days. So perfect. So and high क्या था इसका? 891. 30 days का high 910. So 891. Okay. See, it has just left the 820 EMA. 910 भी कर सकते हो आप. 910 will be the perfect level. 912 910 ये आपको इधर मिल जाएगा. 15 days में 890. 30 days का high is 910. See, just have to analyze three datas. A stock is in this case we need to note something. This is a mother candle. This candle. This is a mother candle. Big candle covering both the sides, and the stock is trading inside this candles. It has not left the mother. All these are child. So it is trading in this range, and this range is very strong range because the mother is protecting the child. So whenever you see anything happening, any body breaks happening over here or body breaks happening over here, these are called body breaks. ये टेक्निक है, इसको जापानीज टेक्निक बोलते हैं, बॉडी ब्रेक्स. Whenever you see a big candles, mark the body. not the wick. Wick is already marked. You just need to mark the body and look at the behavior of all the child below this body and above this body. So it was not able to break this mother body. Once it breaks this mother body, surely you're going to see 50, 60, 80 points move in this trade, because the risk reward is very favorable. Because if you mark this towards this, and if you put this above this, exactly you will get the level. Nothing doing. We had 80 points on this trade. Again, the volume contraction happening. Its price was nearing 20 EMA. Volume is drying up. Sudden breakout, and it has to clear this, because I have seen this candle. So this is a mother candle. The childs are in this mother candle's womb. मतलब mother के साथ में ही है ये. It has to either break this body. These are called mother's womb. It has to break upside and downside. It was trading in this downside from many days. See, the formation was done on 29th April, and from 12th May to 27th May, almost 20 maybe 15-16 days, it was in this trading range. It has not gone down, it has not gone up. So pretty much a good candidate, good spot. Let us see about this level, 944 or 950 levels for 50-60 rupees. Kindly advise शादी करवा रहा है. Okay. Kindly advise an Asian Paints is stable stock. So these are the levels of Asian Paints. So it's right now the structure is not good for entering any trades, either swing or positional. Let it come down over here or here. I think so. The stock should be coming down to maybe 2857 level, because this is a strong resistance over here. You can always find the stock, like go to a site and just see the 30 days average first, and the 30 days opening is 2670, 263s. So I will buy anything in this range. Okay, मेरा range already fixed है इसके अंदर. See, this is the range, 2670. Let us go to 15 days, 2760. Let 15 days see यहाँ पे देख 2760. Okay, so I will buy here. Let us take 8 days range, so it will give us week's high, 2843 and 268 at 2843. Again going up, 2843. Let us pick that level of resistance. Perfect. So I'm picking something resistance over here. That's why the 8 EMS, 8 days moving average has picked it. See, the moment see, we're marking 8 days low of 2843. We are surely going to buy the stock at this level, and once it crosses 2870, breakout. Super breakout, and it had broken 100 points. Simple analysis. 5 मिनट लगता है जाके कोई भी स्टॉक आप देखो इसके अंदर 30, 15, 8. 8 is recent for swing trading. Whenever you see a stock near this level, buy, place your bet by doing the analysis. And the moment it will break that level of 2869, boom, the stock will go towards rocket. There is no resistance also. It is very near to the high also. 30 days high average is 2704. It is near that range. और बोलो, ब्रिटानिया में एंट्री कर सकते हैं क्या सर करंट प्राइस पे? ब्रिटानिया नहीं यार, क्यों करना है ब्रिटानिया? एक मिनट, ब्रिटानिया इंडस्ट्रीज एक मिनट देख लेते हैं. हाँ, वॉल्यूम ड्राइंग अप. It has no, not at all, because it is facing two penultimate resistance. One is 200 फटाफट से आ गया उसके ऊपर, ठीक है, और उसके ऊपर 20 EMA का. The trend is negative. Let it break this level ना. 3546 level break करना तो
Yes, exactly, bro.
3546. अच्छा, okay. Also what resistance from zone. Okay. इसको 3546 ब्रेक करना दो. I will not enter the stock. Not advisable. Small candles happening, big sell off coming in this stock. So this is a classic candidate. Again, we can go to a site, Britannia, 30 days average or 15 days, 30 days average. See, open is 3522, close is very near 3484. So 3522, 3484. So 3484. Maybe this. Let it break 3484. Let us also see 15 days. No? 3426, 3459, almost the same. Let us see 8 days. 3452, 3416. 3416. Let us pick something or 3416. 3416. So this is the trading range. It is touching it. Maybe नीचे जाएगा ये. Again, see by doing analysis like this, you are avoiding yourself to be in a trap. Simple 30 days average आप daily का करते हैं. So you come to know what is happening in the stock. So no from me, sir. KPI Tech कर लिया अभी मैंने. KPI Tech, लेकिन वो मिल नहीं रहा है यहाँ से. वो KPI Tech कर लिया ना मैंने. KPI Tech, KPI Technologies. हाँ, ब्रेकआउट. अच्छा, ये डारोस बॉक्स भी बना रहा है मस्त एकदम. हाँ, yeah, maybe here. See here. No, let it break the box ना. 250 मारना दो उसको ऊपर. उसके बाद इसमें एंटर करेंगे. वैसे भी इस स्टॉक्स में रिस्क रिवॉर्ड रहा नहीं है अभी. हाँ, रिस्क रिवॉर्ड नहीं है यार इसमें. आप इस स्टॉक को लेके फंस जाएंगे अभी. मतलब पैसा नहीं मिलेगा इसमें. KPI Tech. Go to volumes. Let us analyze in higher time frame. 200, 213, 213 and 208, 213 and 208, 213 and 208, 213 and 208, 213 and 213. कहाँ है 213? Yes, solid. गुड लेवल. हाँ, सही में अपने को 15 दिन देखते हैं. 223 नजदीक है बहुत. 8 डेज देखते हैं. 235. रिटेस्ट मार रहा है 235 लेवल्स को. देखते हैं इसको क्या होता है. रिस्क रिवॉर्ड फेवरेबल नहीं है, लेकिन तो भी प्राइस रेंज देख लेते हैं. इसको 15 रुपए मिलने वाला है और इधर से ये कितना मिलने वाला है. एक काम करते हैं, पूरा ही रेंज देख लेते हैं. ब्रेकआउट बॉक्स देता तो कितना मिलता है अपने को. सो यू विल बी एबल टू गेट 276. 20 रुपीज ही मिलेगा अगर ये ब्रेकआउट देता तो. गुड है, अच्छा जाएगा ये. 20 रुपए के लिए ट्रेड करना चाहिए, हेवी क्वांटिटी. लेकिन पहले उसको ब्रेकआउट देना दो पूरा. OLHC समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. एक्सप्लेन अगेन प्लीज. OLHC समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. सो OLHC इज वेरी सिंपल फंडा. OLHC क्या करता है कि वो एवरेज लेता है. हम लोग को डेली कैंडल का एवरेज लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. हमारे पास रेडीमेड एवरेजेस पड़ा हुआ है. सो वी आर टेकिंग 8 डेज, 15 डेज और 30 डेज. हमको दो चीजें, दो डेटा पॉइंट्स पे काम करना है. वन इज ओपन एंड वन इज इक्वल टू लो. ओपन इज इक्वल टू लो. ये दोनों को जो भी हमें नजदीक मिलता है ये लेवल पे, लो पे लेवल पे, चाहे 30 दिन मिले, चाहे 15 दिन मिले, चाहे 8 दिन मिले. 8 दिन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज दैट इज वेयर द मनी इज. एक हफ्ते में स्टॉक ने क्या किया है मार्केट में. एक हफ्ता बहुत अच्छा होता है स्टॉक के लिए क्योंकि मार्केट ऊपर नीचे जा सकता है. सो वी आर एनालाइजिंग द डेटा पॉइंट्स बेस्ड ऑन 8 days, 15 days, 30 days. Mark on the chart with the level, with the same level of 2 months का अप एंड डाउन लेवल. मतलब टॉप एंड बॉटम 2 मंथ्स का ले लो, उसके बीच में ये एनालिसिस करके देख लो कि कहीं से वो रिवर्सल आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. That is where the 8 days average, that is where the trading has been done by retailers, by HNIs, by institution, by hedge funds, FIIs, DIs. अगर ये स्टॉक लेते हैं तो इसी के साथ, इसी के आजू बाजू एवरेज रहा है. सी, look at here, 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 and near about here. So this 235 is the level where they are comfortably pulling the price to that extent. So by having this analysis of 8 days and 15 days, like, you're pretty much sure that you are buying at a solid level. As simple as that, nothing to do. KPIT में bearish divergence from form हो रहा है, गिरेगा. KPIT में bearish divergence form हो रहा है. See, I don't know कैसे आपने calculate किया bearish divergence, लेकिन मुझे एक चीज मालूम पड़ रहा है. See, when you see and when you see 20 EMA pointing up, volumes are building, मतलब above average volume है यहाँ पे, ठीक है, ये above average volume है यहाँ पे. So if the stock has to go down, it has to really go down with the volume. मैं बताता हूँ आपको क्या कहना चाहता हूँ मैं. So this is the stock analysis. If you take last 10 days, if you're taking 10 days average, like if you're taking 10 days average, like, sorry, average, we're taking 10 days average. Look at the volumes. If this is the average volume of 8 to 10 days, look at the volumes that are just has happened. अब ये कोई रिटेलर ने वॉल्यूम नहीं किया ना. 27th को कोई रिटेलर आके वॉल्यूम नहीं करके गया है. रिटेलर की इतनी कैपेसिटी नहीं है वॉल्यूम करने की. सम स्मार्ट मनी हैज एंटर्ड हियर. इट वाज गोइंग डाउन 20 EMA, बट स्मार्ट मनी एंटर किया इधर. नाउ लुक एट, ये ऐसा है, लुक एट द वीकली, ठीक है. वीकली द स्टॉक इज नॉट लेटिंग डाउन. यहाँ पे क्लोज हुआ है, ये ऊपर जाएगा. एंड लुक एट 30 मिनट्स, और इसकी ट्रेडिंग रेंज देखो 30 मिनट्स में. लुक एट ऑल द बिग कैंडल्स दैट इज हैपनिंग. सी, this is not made by retailers. Someone has entered with a huge quantity. That's why the price of the stock has moved na? From 236 to 249. 8-10 रुपए मूव किया है तो 5% मूव हुआ है ये. And again, it is above 20 EMA, so it has not retested 20 EMA. Once the stock leaves 20 EMA in a 30-minute or a 1-hour chart, I will be worried. But this is not the case. See, I would be worried if I was getting this kind of thing. See, it was really struggling to move to the pace of 20 EMA, and once it moved down 20 EMA, boom, 244 से लेकर 226. लेकिन right now, with the volumes drying up, the volumes are dried up here. Suddenly a spike, and that spike, it was testing, as we said, we have a rule, the candles should touch 20 EMA. It was there, it was kissing 20 EMA, it was again kissing 20 EMA, the volume were dried up, it was kissing 20 EMA, and boom, there was the breakout. So I check only 2 points, the data points and the 20 EMA volume contraction that be happening. No, nothing worry. We will be wrapping it up. And anything else to ask? See, everything is pretty much there in our site. I see people asking for so many scans, so many. I'm sorry, but what is the scan? किसके ऊपर जाता है? मतलब so many indicators, so many this thing, that thing from Sudha, from Mithun, सबको पूछते रहते हैं. But do you really know it is based on price? Price is everything that drives an indicator. Indicator is indicator. मतलब it can only indicate. It cannot move the price. For price, you should have volume. If a price it should go up, it should have volume. The price should go down, it should have volumes, and it should be at the best of moving averages. Like 20 EMA has been used by HFTs, like high frequency traders. They use 20 and 200. They are not using 50 EMA, 100 EMA. they are using 20 EMA and 200 EMA. 20 EMA is the backbone of HFT trading. Like if you have any algos, first they will code 20 EMA algo. Any coding happening, 20 EMA will be the backbone. Okay. So this is everything we have here, and we have built this OLHC average due to a reason that you can pick up the volumes, you can pick up the deliveries happening. ठीक है, एवरेज के अबाउ डिलीवरी होता है तो भी पता चल जाता है. यू कैन हैव इवन सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस हैपनिंग. अगर ये सब नहीं करना है, इफ यू वांट टू लर्न टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, you should work out the hard way. You should go and pull up the chart, mark the high low, mark the recent high low for the last 2 months, and see anything that you pick up, either in a weekly chart or in a daily chart. In a daily chart, the secret lies in a daily chart. Secret is in a daily chart. The moment you see anything happening, the moment you see a crossover happening, 20 EMA crossing the 200 EMA, boss, stock will be in for a long term. इधर क्रॉस किया है ना, वापस आया ही नहीं है क्रॉस डाउन करने के लिए. Now the cross has been made at around 60-70 levels and it has been in 242. मतलब ज्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ है, it's been not even a year. ठीक है. So simple things, keep it simple, and the moment the stock, if you see a stock crossing down 20 EMA cross down 200 EMA, you should leave the stock on a daily chart. Then boss, वो stock आपका काम का नहीं है, आपका पैसा जाने वाला है. ठीक है, आप उसको बेच दो, इधर खरीद लेना, लेकिन इधर बेच दो, क्योंकि वो इंडिकेट कर रहा है कि ये सुपर बेरिश होने वाला है. Every trend line, it has been breaking every trend line. See, the moment you see, if you mark this trend line, the moment you see resistance happening over here, and you can see a support building over here, nothing. See, this is a Darvas box. Simple. ये Darvas box है. Breakout happening in a Darvas box. This is the first level. See, price वापस आया, रिट्रेस किया, वापस आया, boom, again a Darvas box happening over here. ये भी Darvas box है. प्राइस लिया, रिट्रेस किया, boom, it will retrace over here also. This again is a box pattern, but it has not completed the box. It will complete the box over here. So it will hardly take your 10 to 15 minutes if you are really thinking as this a business or a serious business, and if you want to learn technical analysis, you should go for the hard way, and we have everything in our site. So I'm done. The lastly 52 week high. अब ये strategy इतना simple है, लोग करते नहीं है. 52 week high. So go for resistance breakout. So for the scan, and use this resistance breakout, either weekly or maybe daily, कुछ भी कर लो आप. ये कर लिया आपने यहाँ पे 300. That is my style. You can use anything below 300 also, but volume, please keep the volume as 1 lakh and above. See, if you're using this, ये levels use कर रहे हो आप, so download करो. Pretty simple है, आपको एक वीक का स्टॉक मिल जाएगा, and इंट्राडे के लिए तो मिल ही जाएगा ये स्टॉक्स. You open it, just have to analyze. See, these are the distance which I am looking. Anything below 15 rupees is my stock. ये नया हाई मारने वाला है ना दूसरे दिन, because like Mindtree 44 rupees भागा, वो 10 रुपए नहीं कर सकता क्या मंडे के दिन? 100% प्रोबेबिलिटी. अपार इंडस्ट्रीज 20 रुपए दिया उसने 28 को, वो 9 रुपए नहीं दे सकता क्या? अरे वो आया है, वो स्टॉक ब्रेकआउट देने के लिए आया है. इट हैज कम टू गिव ए न्यू 52 वीक हाई. इट इज गोइंग टू गेट हैपन. रूपा इंडस्ट्रीज 34 रुपए चला 28 को, तो वो क्या 9 रुपए नहीं चलेगा क्या? इट इज गोइंग टू हैव ए न्यू हाई ना. सो ये सेंटेंका, so it has given 34 rupees movement on 28th. 26 rupees movement on 28th. So you doubt it can't give 8 rupees? So these are the stock which I select for intraday, heavy quantity with 1% SL and 1% target profit. Use it. It is pretty much there. Then everything is on resistance. You pull up any stocks like Mazda, पैटर्न देखो, इसका स्विंग रेजिस्टेंस देखो, कोई नहीं है रेजिस्टेंस. सपोर्ट देखो, सॉलिड सपोर्ट पड़ा है, रेजिस्टेंस कुछ है ही नहीं. Draw 10, you don't have any resistance here. If you can pick up something like weekly, no resistance. This clear cut trading है यार, करते नहीं है हम लोग. Everything we have in our sight. There is no resistance at all. It has to make a new resistance. Please trade on these stocks for intraday. This is all we have covered in pretty simple things. Okay. I thank you everyone to be patient and listening to me for 2 hours.
Thank you very much for your time, bro.
Yeah, we should thank you, Shabir. So your patience,
Thanks a lot.
you've given a lot of knowledge to us.
Nice. Yes. It's that. It's pretty much simple. No? People, because being an industry from last 12, 13 years in stock market, I've come to know that simple analysis works best. And we have everything which is required for day trading or swing trading. Okay. And it is very simple. So why don't we use it?
Yeah.
I hope this session will benefit, because I trade like this. So अगर मैं पैसा बनाता हूँ तो सारे लोग बना ही सकते हैं. If I make money by using simple techniques, and you also can make money in simple techniques. So I thank you, Midun and Sudha, for arranging the session. I hope the session was good. Okay.
It was good. Thank you, Shabir. So from my side and the
Thank you, Swami sir.
I
Thanks a lot.
just want to ask only one question. So what is the best advice you give to me and so that as a group admins, that how we need to maintain the groups?
Brother, I use this 20 EMA, which is very close to my trading levels. 20 EMA, if you can scan any stock with 20 EMA and you put in like it's nearing 52-week high or making new all-time high, and the volume contraction or the candle contraction happening, please pull up the levels, like mark the top 2 months high and top 2 months low, and buy near that 2 months low. By using the technique of volume average, OHLC, we will come to know exactly where we need to put our money in, at what levels. Okay. At what levels. So if we analyze the same, the volume contraction happening, the candle contraction happening, that VCB patterns, volume contraction patterns. So this we can analyze when the stock is very near to that 20 EMA. So 20 EMA is absolutely superb. You don't need anything else to work for in simple. I use the simple. I don't have any paid trading view. I use simple free things. I have just volume, EMA, volume, and one super trend that I keep in. Nothing else. I have every sector. This thing I do, I keep on every index. Let any index, if auto index is there, I mark it, because I can see auto index on a breakout. So if auto index on a breakout and it is above the 20 EMA, I'm damn sure that Maruti is going to do well. Bajaj Auto is going to do well, because market cap, they are holding the largest market cap, and it recently broke 24th May. It recently broke the trend line. That's a breakout which was due from February 21st. It gave a breakout. So I made good money in Maruti. Maruti gave me 250 points move, and Sudha was there in our group when Maruti gave. If you remember, Sudha.
Yes,
So,
I remember.
So this what I do is I analyze every sector based on chart analysis. If the sector is about 20 EMA now, it has crossed it. If the sector has crossed 20 EMA by 200 EMA, it is going to be range bound. Ye sector, it is superb. See, the moment it crossed 20 EMA, the sector is gone up. FMCG, you can bet on 20 EMA. See, you can bet on this crossovers happening big time. See, look at 20 EMA. There is no volume because this is index, but you can pretty much sure that whenever the index is about 20 EMA, the market cap or the price leader stock will surely be having a good time. Again, it is a box is happening, the trading box. So once it breaks the box, FMCG again will be like stock like HUL, ITC would be moving up. So simple, pretty. I analyze very few stocks for the next day and for the week, and I do like this only. Nothing much. I've I've got many softwares, but I don't use them. I use simple trading techniques. Weekly also, it is forming a box, and once it moves this, super. It will be a great trade if I am getting Nifty FMCG, because it is near that breakout. So any sector like FMCG, like ITC, HUL, DMart, or any stock which is into fast moving consumer goods will give a good breakout or good money to all. So that is from my side. I will try to create a so that can we create this I hope this has been recorded, or we can create some
Yeah,
scanners,
it
or
is
we can see.
recorded.
Yeah, so we can create something like this. We can use the ready-made template to see if it is going up against the stocks which are coming into our scan. Thank you.